A California based Indian origin travel blogger was among two foreign tourists who were killed in a shootout between two drug gangs in Mexico. The tragic incident took place on Wednesday, October 20, in Mexico's coastal town of Tulum. Anjali Rayot from Himachal Pradesh had moved to California in 2012 and was living in San Jose. An engineer and travel blogger, Anjali was visiting Mexico with her husband to celebrate her 30th birthday. She was a few hours away from her birthday when the shooting took her life. An Instagram post of Rayot smiling and happy on a seaside pier in Tulum just days before the incident has gone viral. Initial investigation shows that the shooting broke out between two rival drug peddling gangs that operate in the area. Tourists dining at an outdoor terrace of a street-side restaurant were caught in the crossfire when the gunfight began. Reports say Rayot was sitting on the terrace of the La Malquerida restaurant when four men armed with assault rifles opened fire on an adjoining table. The other tourist killed in the crossfire was a German woman identified as Jennifer Hinzold. Three other tourists were injured in the shooting. Authorities have barricaded the area. On Friday, a civic group posted pictures of a letter found in the local market purportedly sent by drug enforcer gang Los Pelones, which roughly translates to the shaved heads. The letter said the shooting was a warning and that the gang will continue to shut places down if businesses do not comply with extortion demands. The gang is fighting with rival drug gangs like the Jalisco cartel for control of the area. Locals in the area say that shootouts like this have been a common occurrence, but incidents related with foreigners have started recently.
Pues no es la primera vez que pasa en esta calle, es la primera vez que pasa la segunda vez que pasa con extranjeros y antes de los extranjeros pasó con mexicanos y nadie hizo nada. No pasaron noticias, no vino la policía, no vino los militares, no vino nadie. Entonces, si hubieran venido cuando pasaron en los mexicanos, no hubiera pasado los extranjeros, ¿no? Pero ahora que es extranjeros vienen todos.
The situation has been out of control in recent months. In June, two men were shot dead on the beach in Tulum while another was wounded. A city policewoman was shot dead and locked in a car trunk last week. In 2019, authorities had said that a drug dealing dispute had led to a bar shooting that claimed the lives of 7 men in the nearby resort of Playa del Carmen. The authorities of Quintana Roo, the state where Tulum is located, have identified 6 criminal organizations in the state. Mexico's national public security system has registered 864 drug-related crimes in the state over 9 months between January and September 2021. The shootout and the killings might hurt Tulum's reputation as an emerging beach town without the crowding problems of Cancún, another beach town in Mexico.
Bueno, veo bastantes policías, pero de todos modos siempre tenemos un poquitito de miedo, ¿no? Hay un poco de miedo, de temor.
With the death of foreign tourists, the incident has attracted international attention and questions are being raised as to why the local authorities have not been able to bring the situation under control. The tragic news of their daughter dying has shattered Rayot's family. Anjali Rayot's family is now trying to reach Mexico and her brother has urged the mayor of Tulum to speed up the visa process. A federal report.